you know, Adrienne was a perfect example. She didn't grow up with the language. She learned it in order to sing it, but she evoked that upbringing. And because she didn't grow up with it, she had a great sensitivity to other people who feel, oh, I didn't grow up with it, am I okay to sing it and stuff? And she gave permission to people, someone like myself who grew up with it. To me, it was just like another tool. I didn't feel, I spoke Yiddish, it was my first language. My mother says that at the age of 6, I sounded like a 60-year-old immigrant. I sounded like, you know, I'd always been an old guy. But to me, it's not like a magic. Like I said, I didn't grow up in a family where you said, oh, you know, switch to Yiddish, the kids listening. They didn't do that. We all spoke Yiddish. So to me, it's something that is yours. It's something that is yours, use it. And if you don't have it, we'll give it to you. And if you need more, there's more. And so I keep hoping. I keep hoping that we have invented ourselves as an extended community. We're not done yet. The story is not at all, it's not at all over. And I think this Yiddish Vault will be there to greet us at the other end.